well, the blue is bad, and the beds are hard. I spent all day.
Hello, welcome to Scotland, guys. I'm Craig.
Hi, I'm Alison.
Hi there, I'm Stuart.
I am so excited to be here with my husband, returning to his home country to experience the ultimate Scottish adventure.
Well, thank you for the warm Scottish welcome. What better way to start our journey than at one of Scotland's most famous distilleries, including tasting one of my favourite drinks, whisky.
If you watch a glass of whisky really closely, when you add some water, you see all those oils start to break apart.
Sláinte, cheers!
Cheers.
Okay guys, so as a little treat to finish off the day, we thought we'd put a little whisky and chocolate pairing together. You'll see in front of you we have 3 different chocolates and whiskies. We're going to feature the Aberfeldy 12, the Dewar's 12 and the Dewar's 18, so a real range of what we offer here.
Very unique.
Well, you can't come to Scotland without visiting a castle.
This is a picture-perfect backdrop. Let's tick off the bucket list with some farm fresh eggs for breakfast.
Come on, girls. Cheers for the hug hen.
Our whole story is built on showcasing the outstanding Scottish natural larder, and lots of our menus, as you'll see, we forage from the hillsides, from the rivers. So from a sustainability point of view, we're really trying to reduce our waste, and we keep our food miles low, and we think that makes the food taste additionally delicious.
It does get harder the further up you get.
Perfect. Then we're going to make some rye crackers and also some butternut squash hummus. So you're in for a real treat.
Fantastic.
A lot of places that we go in canoes, you really wouldn't get there.
Yeah, you can't get to some of the places, like even with walking, like on the side of Loch Tay, you can't get there by foot.
Right.
So you have to get there by boat, and it just makes it really, really special. You can get remote really quickly as well.
How do you do a round trip in the water?
Yeah, there's not many circular rivers in Scotland, so I have to figure that out. No, we just run shuttles, so you can jump in a van at the bottom. There's real benefits to spending time outside, especially today's kind of, 100-mile-an-hour living that people do. It really is a great chance to disconnect and just really find out a bit more about yourself, right? To kind of, soak up the atmosphere and see some beautiful scenery through your own eyes for once, not an Instagram page. So that for me is really important. Yeah.
Well, what are you waiting for? Jump right in. The best time to visit Scotland is right now.